Okay, at the same time, I'm good at Hindi. Even then, means I'm facing lots of problem related to English. Then
In which type of problem you are facing right
means
now?
as before time ago, I had told you that I'm good at Hindi and all over the things I know in Hindi. But I don't know how to talk in English. And if I have to go anywhere, at that time I will face lots of problem at English. Then
While talking, you
please
face.
let me clear that. Even then, at that time I say that no, I'm good at Hindi. Then at that time, what should I do?
At the time you should use some technology like Google Translator and many more other translating application, which by the help of translating application you can communicate with other
Just
language.
a minute, can I learn English?
No, there is no need to learn English. You can just make easy to communicate with other person by the help of technology.
Ashutosh, I have a question.
Okay.
You know, every country has their own language.
Yeah, obviously.
Like if you go to any foreign country, Russia, China, any European country, they have their
Okay.
own language and they follow their own language. But nowadays we are doing what? We are promoting English. Don't you think we should promote Hindi?
Yeah, obviously we should promote Hindi, but now like our what to say, like दुर्भाग्य को क्या बोलेंगे? Unfortunately, our system is like that. All of the like Supreme Court and all the other like government organization also like keep promoting English, and their first language is English. That's why if you have to do some work in government office and like making any small documents in government office, you will have to know English.
May I know that who is made that type of things officer? But if means in this time also our national language is Hindi.
No national language is present in India.
No.
Let me clear.
Yes. Yes, it's a clear correct thing.
No national language present in India.
Who said there is no?
Currently, there is no
There is no national language
I have
present
no
in India.
proper ideas. Even then I have. Then what about before time? When was our Hindi like official language at that time?
Like you can't say that Hindi is our official language, because you know India has a very diverse like history, and all the states of India has their own particular language. Like Gujarat has Gujarati language.
Is there no existence of Hindi?
No existence of Hindi is available, I know, but you know when you talk about like South Indian peoples, they used to talk in Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, this type of they are familiar with this type of language, because their mother tongue is in this language, and they don't know Hindi proper. And while talking about West Bengal, some parts of West Bengal also, you can see that most of the people used to talk in their own language like Bengalis.
Means directly we can understand that English is surrounding all over the world, then we should focus the English.
No, you can't say that English surrounded all over the world. English is just surrounding in like some particular countries like Australia, Britain, USA, and like one of the
But I have a question that
like yeah many
I have a question that if you go in another foreign country, you don't know their language, but by the help of English, you can talk by the help of English and communicate with them.
no, it
Don't
is
you
not.
understand?
I get your point, but you are not saying completely wrong. Like
Yeah.
when you move to like another country, Spain, there is only a Spanish language, and like all other and other language also present like French, German, and at that time you are if you expected that I am fluent in English and I am able to communicate with in that country, you can't be able to communicate
There is
very easily.
only one language, English. By the help of English, you can wander
Anywhere in the world.
anywhere in the world, and you can communicate with other people.
English is an international
Then I think you
language.
should move one for Russia and China and Japan.
No, you are saying that about French people.
Not
they
French
know
people. I'm telling about
whatever
many
their
more
own
countries.
language. Even then they know English just because to communicate with other people so that they can communicate.
No, this statement is not completely right. That many of countries, many countries,
So how
people
can you
of
communicate with that people?
Yes,
you
yes,
don't-
of course. If
Yes,
you
how-
that is only
how-
At the time you should use technology or
What
what? Yeah.
technology? If I'm talking to, suppose you're foreign people, okay, and you don't know about I don't know about listen. I don't know
Indirectly
about
you
your
are saying
language.
that every people of the world is knowing English very well.
Is exactly.
No,
It's
this
right. No, no.
you have not proper
means if
knowledge, I think.
if we have to do any work in that Spanish countries, at the time we should learn Spanish.
Yeah,
After
obviously.
that we can fulfill all
Obviously,
the-
100%. You should learn
I don't
Spanish
think
first
you're
of all.
saying right.
You know, one of my friend moved to Ukraine for his MBBS study, and first of the year in first of in his college life, first year of his college life, they are all learning their local language like Ukrainian, and after that, rest of the 3 years they can continue their studies in Ukrainian
You can
language.
say that it's an exceptional case. right?
No, never.
Then can
All the country are doing same things, you know.
So even then, if they want to communicate with us, they can't communicate with their own language. They will only communicate with us in English language, right? If they want to communicate with us, they can only communicate
let,
with
let
one
me let me
language.
let me give first of all my answer. If they all the peoples know English very well, then what is need to learn another language?
Yeah,
No, it's people's choice. If they
What
want
people
to,
choice?
no, if it's people's choice. If they want to learn another language, it's their choice. But we need to learn English. So
No,
it's-
you are not
it's a
saying.
need.
It's your preference that like biggest country and obviously powerful country are using English language. That's why India is adopting English language. Nothing else.
Just
You know.
because we need, no.
Means
That's
there
why
is
we-
Why China don't need English language and okay. Okay, there is no international language present. Okay, like why China is not adopting English?
we
Why?
have no idea. If you have English, share to us.
Because in China they apply Korean language.
They apply Chinese language.
Chinese and some Korean type language.
Ashutosh sir, nowadays some students are think that after learning English, what will I do? Then what you want to say about this student?
To learn English, how can you grow in your life? Your question is that, na?
Yes.
Yeah, while living because we are Indians and obviously in future maybe we are in India and why if we want to work in like corporate sector, IT sector, English is a like preference choice. Like your colleagues and all the office members are used to talk in English, and most of the work which is happened in like system and all the like basic parts like other language C++, Java, this type of app developer language, they are also using English language. That's why we must know about English language.